The founder of our company has overseen the design and manufacture of over 10,000 roll-off hoists. We strive to use that experience to your best advantage. GalFab hoists are jig-built to offer consistent and accurate products. GalFab is an industry leader in hoist design innovation. GalFab hoists are designed with the end user in mind. When you combine GalFab's experience and technology, you get one of the best roll-off hoists available in the market. And like the rest of our fine products, they are made right here in the USA. This type of hoist is available in two design options. One has a traditional subframe and the other has no subframe. The OR subframe option has an 8-inch tall mainframe tube and a 2-inch tall subframe. The subframeless NOR model has a 10-inch tall mainframe tube with reinforcing strips on the top and the bottom. Your GalFab sales representative will help you choose which model best suits your application. The first feature we will look at is the auto fold forward DOT bumper. This bumper folds toward the truck frame when the hoist is in the raised position. Most other manufacturers' DOT bumpers fold down towards the tail of the hoist. As a result, the GalFab fold forward design does not as easily get bent up or torn off in landfills or other non-flat surfaces. This fold forward design also tends not to pick up trash as easily, as it is up and out of the way while dumping a load. See how the bumper folds as the hoist is raised and lowered. This is a prime example of the GalFab Advantage. These are the long sill container support or rear wings. The GalFab long sill container support is standard on most GalFab cable hoist models. The wings aid in loading misaligned containers and alleviates the need for the two most rear side rollers per side on the hoist. As most haulers know, the rear side rollers are replaced due to wear more than any others. The long sill support also increases the life of the long sill of the container by allowing up to 8 feet of the container to rest on the support. It also allows containers with no nose cone or worn nose cone rollers to engage the wing and slide forward more easily. This reduces wear and scarfing of the mainframe. A little grease in this area would reduce friction and promote easier forward movement. The GalFab side roller system is unique in that the shaft rests in a hole drilled into the mainframe of the hoist. Some manufacturers weld a plate onto the side of the mainframe. The GalFab design allows the container long sills to be fully supported by the side rollers. Therefore, there is more bearing on the shaft and there is no overhung load. By loosening the 2 bolts on the front plate, the shaft can be easily removed for roller replacement. You will really appreciate the time savings realized by changing a shaft by removing 2 bolts as opposed to cutting off a stub shaft and welding on a new one. There are no cotter pins or washers that wear out prematurely. This is also the GalFab Advantage. We have 2 types of optional hold-on systems that we normally use, the hooker and a ratchet tie-down. The hooker uses air-operated components integrated with PTO controls. When the PTO is on, the arms are down and out of the way for loading or unloading. When the PTO is off, the arms come up and secure the container long sills. Manual controls are available. The 4 hooker arms provide a potential vertical load capacity of 40,000 pounds each. Ratchet tie-downs use steel hooks on 4-inch wide nylon straps and a ratcheting assembly on each side to tie the container down. The ratchets slide in channels to line up with the spaces between the cross sills on the container. Both systems require an open space between the cross sills and space above the long sills to allow the systems to engage the container long sills. The unit is now ready for delivery to the customer. An instruction manual is included for maintenance, service, and parts replacement. Care has been taken to be sure that all of the details requested by the customer have been adhered to. Our goal at GalFab is to make sure your hoist provides you with many years of great service. Proper maintenance, absence of abuse, and a good training program are essential to make sure that those goals are attained with your GalFab roll-off hoist.